Hello students, how are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about our new chapter 10 mensuration. Okay. In this chapter first we will discuss about what is the meaning of parameter. Parameter means sum of all sides of the closed figure. Sum of all sides of the closed figure is called the parameter. For this, just I want to give some example to you. Suppose in this figure ABCD is rectangle. Okay. In this rectangle, length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So, how will you find out the total length of this rectangle? For this, we will apply the parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. Length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So 2 into L plus B, length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. 10 plus 4, it will give to you 14 centimeter into 2. It will give to you 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter is the parameter of the given rectangle ABCD. Okay. Now, then after we will discuss about how will you find out the parameter of square. Square is the geometrical figure which having all sides are in equal. So parameter of square is equal to 4 into side. In this square, side is 7 centimeter. Parameter of square is equal to 4 into side. Side is 7 centimeter. 4 7 are 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter is the parameter of the given square. Okay. Then after, my dear student, just I want to give some example to you. How will you find out the parameter of equilateral triangle? Suppose ABC is equilateral triangle. What is the equilateral triangle? In equilateral triangle, all sides are in equal. In this equilateral triangle, all sides are in 5 centimeter. So, parameter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. Side is 5 centimeter, so 3 5s are 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter is the parameter of the given equilateral triangle. Okay. Now, just you have one more question. Suppose this is triangle XYZ. In this triangle XYZ, all sides are in different measurement. So, in triangle XYZ, all sides are in different measurement. It is called as scalene triangle. How will you find out the parameter of scalene triangle? We will apply the same method. Parameter means sum of all sides. Parameter of triangle XYZ is equal to XY plus YZ plus ZX. XY is 4 centimeter, YZ is 8 centimeter and ZX is 6 centimeter. After adding, what is the sum? Sum is 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter is the parameter of triangle XYZ. This is the required answer for your required question. Okay. Again, my dear students, you have one more question. The lid of a rectangular box of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all round with tape. What is the length of the tape required? This is your question from exercise 10.1. So, in this question we will find out what is the length of the tape required. In this question, what will you do? We will apply the formula of parameter of rectangle. Okay, my dear students, in this question, the length of the tape required is equal to the length of the the length of the tape required is equal to 2 into L plus B. L stands for length and B stands for breadth. Length is 10 centimeter and length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Okay, 40 plus 10, 50. 50 centimeter. 50 to the 100. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. The length of the tape required for the given rectangular box is 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. This is your required answer for your required question. Again, my dear students, you have one more question. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. Okay. In this question, what will you do? In this question, first we will find out total length of the fencing. Total length of the fencing. So we will apply the length of fencing the length of the fencing of a square park is equal to parameter of square. Parameter of square is equal to 4 into side. Side is 250 meter. 250 into 4, it will give to you 1000 meter. Okay. In this question, the total length of the fencing of the square park is 1000 meter. Okay. Then after we will find out what is the cost of the total fencing. So we will apply the condition. The cost of the fencing of 1 meter is rupees 20. The cost of the fencing of 1 meter is rupees 20. So the total cost of the fencing of 1000 meter will be 1000 into 20. It will give to you rupees 20,000. Rupees 20,000 is the total cost of the fencing of the given square park. Okay, my dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.